the sandwich challenge.
So basically the challenge is about we'll do.
Introduce me.
So she's my sister and I'm gonna do the challenge with her and she's gonna explain you what to do in the challenge.
Okay, so this is the sandwich challenge and we have made sandwiches for each other which are there in these plates. Okay, and they are small bite-sized sandwiches that we have prepared for each other. And we have total of 4 sandwiches and 2 of them are nice sandwiches that taste good.
And 2 of them are very bad.
That doesn't taste so good. Okay, so the challenge is that we have used 2 ingredients in each sandwich and we don't know what ingredients we have used. I don't know her ingredients, she doesn't know my ingredients. So we will exchange our plates, and as we exchange our plates, the other person will be blindfolded and they have to eat the sandwich and they have to guess what is the ingredient that has been used in the sandwich. So
Let's get
start. So we didn't find a blindfold, so I've got my eye mask, which probably will work as a blindfold because basically you can't see the ingredients so well because it's inside the bread. So this works. So who will go first?
You go first.
You.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm putting the blindfold on her.
I can see from down.
So I have fixed the blindfold. She can't see from here. You can see!
No!
Okay, even if she can see a little bit, she won't understand what is there in the sandwich. So she looks funny. Okay, so now we are going to exchange our plates. So
Where is my plate?
this is not your plate, this is my plate that I have prepared for you.
Okay.
I am keeping her plate, the one that she has prepared for me, aside, and we are going to reveal her plate. Okay, don't touch it now. Okay. We have the sandwiches. Okay.
I'm so excited.
So I have numbered them as 1, 2, 3, 4, and
Please hold me in my hand.
yeah, I will give her the sandwiches one by one. The number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And she will have to guess the ingredients. Okay. So we are going to start now. Okay. Now we are going to do the taste test. Okay. So we are going with the first sandwich. Okay. I will put she will have to answer what is there in the sandwich, but I will be putting the actual ingredients of the sandwich below. Even if she answers correctly, I will be putting them below. Okay, so this is your first sandwich. Hold it. You can't take a bite. Okay, so what is the ingredients that I've put in? Actually, our camera stopped in between, so I had to fix it again. So yeah, she didn't get to see what I've put. So what have I put in? You want to take another bite
Yes.
of the very nice sandwich?
No.
Take another bite.
No.
Take another bite.
Very bad.
Okay.
Very
What
bad.
have I put in?
I guess coconut and tomato sauce. It's very bad.
Tomato ketchup.
Don't even try.
It's a nice combo, you know. Coconut and tomato ketchup.
Very bad.
Okay, so she guessed this one correctly. I have put coconut and tomato ketchup. So we are heading on to the second sandwich.
feed me this.
Huh. You want to take another bite?
No.
This is a nice sandwich, come on.
Wait. Yes, give me another bite. I guess it is jam.
What jam?
Mango jam.
Okay.
And that mango ice cream.
Mango pulp.
Mango pulp, sorry. Mango pulp.
Yes, I have put mango jam and mango pulp, which is a good combination, and she guessed this one correctly. So, 1 point to her. Okay. So, we are going on to the next sandwich. So, now she's going to try out her third sandwich. Okay. So, here she goes. So, yeah. Hold this.
This is good.
I know. What is inside it?
Mayo.
Mayonnaise and
Yes. Pepper.
mayonnaise and pepper.
Yes.
Final answer.
Yes.
I can keep the sandwich. So she got this one wrong because it had mayonnaise and cheese, not mayonnaise and pepper.
It tasted like it had some pepper kind of thing.
No, I put just mayonnaise and cheese.
But it was very cheesy.
Yeah.
I
So he does not get this point. Okay. So we are going to give her the fourth sandwich, the fourth and the final sandwich, which is the most drastic combination ever. Okay, now she's gonna have inside her mouth. Okay, this one is the most drastic sandwich that I have made. Okay, and the combination is so bad. Like, I shouldn't give her hints, but yeah, she'll have to take a big bite of this.
can smell something.
Ha, big bite. Aha,
No.
bolo, ha, ha.
First of all, Chyawanprash.
Yes, Chyawanprash and
So bad. I don't know what is this, but whatever it is, it's very bad. I don't know what is this, but very bad. Please give me the plate. Gee, what is this? Chyawanprash and something very bad. I don't know. What is this? Pepper?
no,
Chaat masala?
no.
Jeera powder?
I don't have taste but Chyawanprash and haldi powder.
See, it was so bad, like so bad.
Or she's like Chyawanprash, like.
See, Chyawanprash, I eat Chyawanprash every day, but haldi with Chyawanprash, oh my god, nobody.
First I thought I'd put honey with
Ouch.
honey with haldi, and then I was like, no, I should go for something worse. Haldi and Chyawanprash. You'd know, such a bad combo with the smell of haldi and Chyawanprash coming together. You want to take another bite?
No, no,
Just one bite.
no. Not at all. Not at all, please.
Okay, I'll take a bite from the cheese sandwich that I've made.
Why the cheese one? Why?
Wow.
Why the cheese one, yeah? Have this now. You have to taste this. You have to taste this. This is very, very, very
No, I will be already tasting
horrible.
yours.
This is horrible, actually. This is horrible. But I kept, like, I didn't get so bad, actually. Okay. Tomorrow,
Okay, so I'm gonna adjust the mask according
I'm
to
having the cheese sandwich.
my size. Yeah.
You only wear it. Wait.
Oh, I made it smaller. So,
Move your hair aside.
I pressed it. I can't see anything. I can just see a little. I can just see my legs over here and nothing else.
Okay, you cannot
Has the
see,
video
right?
switched on? Okay.
You can see, right?
No, I can just see my legs.
Okay, so
A
it's
little
time
bit.
for her, and I'm going to take the revenge. Wait,
I don't know what she
wait,
wants to do.
just wait. Just like this.
I don't smell that stuff, so.
There are very bad things.
Okay.
Like, this is the first one.
Okay.
Here you have it. Then feeding you. Don't bite my fingers. Like, you want one more bite? You want? Nice. Nice. Very nice. Fly. Eat, eat, eat. Very nice, no? Eat the full thing.
This smells so weird.
Eh? This is a good thing. It's a very good thing.
But it smells very weird. I don't know why. It's mayonnaise and butter.
Eh? No, this is not at all mayonnaise and butter. Okay, this is your final answer.
It's not mayonnaise. It's butter and something. Mayonnaise and butter, kind of.
Okay, okay. Just wait, let me check what is it. Because I only forgot. This is butter and oregano actually. And it tastes very good.
I didn't taste even a little bit of oregano. Even a little bit. Where did you give the oregano? Where is the oregano?
Look at this. I filled with oregano and she ate all the oreganos.
I didn't taste even a little bit of oregano.
But I kept filling
Okay,
oregano.
fine. I
See,
have
see,
three
see,
more
see.
chances.
See,
Okay,
this
okay,
is-
okay. The next sandwich.
Okay, let me have this. Next one.
The second sandwich.
Have this is very nice.
Ah, I can smell what's inside.
It's very nice.
I can only taste Chyawanprash.
You have to eat it more, then only you can taste it.
How little quantity have you put? I can only taste Chyawanprash.
I have put lots and lots of quantity. Lots and lots of quantities. You have it more, then only you will have it. Okay, I am opening for you. Wait.
Cheese and Chyawanprash.
Yes, she gave the right answer. Right answer! How did it taste?
Very bad. First I thought chili powder and Chyawanprash, and I'm like, no. It's not that spicy. Okay, next one. This is the third sandwich.
Yes, third one. This is obviously nice. This is nice, right? I know you will guess this.
Tomato and mayonnaise.
Yes, she gave a right answer.
My mom makes the same sandwich, so I know the taste.
It is very good, and all the tomatoes. I filled all the tomatoes, so she understands.
Who puts cheese with Chyawanprash?
So who puts haldi powder with
The video is
Chyawanprash?
on now.
Yes. Who puts turmeric powder with Chyawanprash?
That's like a worse combo. Well, cheese का अपमान हो गया यार. Okay, next sandwich. I'm such a pro at this, I guess.
Yes, taste this.
What is that sandwich?
Have it, have it. You cannot smell it. See, she's doing cheating. It's very
खेलना नहीं आता तो cheating तो मत
bad.
करो.
You cannot do cheating. She's doing cheating. Can you see?
One for is mango jam. Mmm. Not mango jam. What is that?
Why will I?
Kala jamun.
And
Rasna.
she guessed this also.
Ew.
This is not
Tastes
kala jamun.
so
This is
bad.
blackberry.
Whatever. Kalo jam बोले उठाके.
Why are you talking in Bengali?
Like, the kala jamun you get now.
Like blackberries.
Yeah. That and rasna.
Gee, it tastes very bad. You have to
Yeah.
taste your haldi one.
No.
Yes, I
No.
tasted mine.
So I didn't ask you to taste it. You tasted voluntarily. No. I won't taste the haldi one. I know how bad it tastes. Okay, so now I'm taking off my blindfold. So, yeah. So I guessed 3 correctly, and you guessed 2 correctly. So who's the winner? Me. I'm the winner. Obviously, because I have better taste buds.
Be quiet.
So I'm the winner. Okay, so now we have a prize for the winner and a punishment for the loser. Okay, so first I'll get my prize. Give me my prize.
This is mine. This is not yours.
But I will get it. Okay, these are her
I have to
chocolates.
give this.
But she has to give it to me because I won this challenge.
I can keep this, right?
No, you can't. Both are mine.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and now
Next
her
time I will
punishment.
win.
Now
Why punishment? Why
punishment
punishment? No punishment
is
in this
that-
challenge. No punishment, guys.
mustard.
Okay, thank you for
sauce.
watching. Thank you for watching. We are closing the video.
Mustard sauce.
No.
She has to close her eyes. I'll close her eyes and she'll select one of the sandwiches on which she'll have to put this mustard sauce and eat it. Okay, so now I'll be closing her eyes and I'll be turning.
Ow. I'm getting hurt.
Okay, close your eyes.
Ah.
No, you're seeing.
Okay, fine.
No, move your hands.
I can see.
So close your eyes, na.
Okay, I have closed my eyes. I can touch and feel and then eat.
No, the one you touch first will be the one.
Okay, I'll touch. I'll touch.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
She has selected the one with
Tomato
ketchup
sauce.
and coconut, and now we will be putting
Okay, I'm so
mustard
sad.
sauce
I
on
should
it.
cry, man.
Will be. You have
I'm
to
so
pour
sad. Like
coconut ketchup and mustard sauce.
She
Have it?
not so much, only one.
No,
bite.
you have to have a whole thing. It's like
Not the whole
it's so small.
thing. It's not so small.
Come,
Wait, let
keep
me.
it here. Keep it here. It's so small. It can go in one bite. Have
No,
it.
no. Okay, let me show the big piece of this. See, a lot of mustard sauce is put in this. Sorry, mustard sauce. Only one bite.
No, all of it.
One
The
bite.
punishment. We want punishment. We
Then you
want
have to give
punishment.
me one piece of chocolate.
Okay, fine. I'll give you one. Pura. Ha. Ag gale. Eat it. You can't take it out. You have to eat it.
Very bad.
Okay. I'll be having
No,
the
but-
one with the mango pearl. This is really tasty.
You can try at home, but never try this at home. Because this is horrible. Very
You can
bad.
also try the one with haldi and chawan
No,
prash.
don't give bad instructions to them.
Haldi and chawan prash. It's very
She's
tasty.
very naughty actually, you know. You can see her face.
Very tasty.
See her face. She's very naughty. Ow!
That's the end,
End of our sandwich challenge. Hope you liked it. If you want to see more of her in my videos, you please comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Comment writing, we want Mayurakshi. And do subscribe to her YouTube channel. Even I have a YouTube channel, but I am not, video creator or something, so I don't post
But I
a lot of
love to
stuff.
create videos.
So please subscribe to her channel and follow me on my Instagram.
Even I have an Instagram.
Yeah, follow her on her Instagram too. I'll be putting all our Instagram usernames over here.
See here.
So, yeah.
And this is the
Bye-bye.
end of the challenge. So take care and bye.
And if you want more such challenges, you can suggest your ideas in the comments
please
down
suggest
below.
because you all don't suggest.
And we will be doing all the challenges that you people suggest in this video.
Yes.
So, bye.